Put on LBC. I put on LBC. Yeah, I put on LBC. Over LBC. I put on LBC. Over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon gods on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Started with a vision, now we running the game. Charts glow, purple teal, yeah, you know the name. From the beach to the block, we controlling the tide. Every candle that we light, that's a wave we ride. I've been grinding through the night, while the city don't sleep. Putting LBC on maps, taking wins, stacking deep. From the charts to the streets, got the fam in the mix. Every move calculated, yeah, we playing with steel. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon gods on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Crypto hustle late nights, yeah, we stay in the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the med, I was grind to the LBC streets. This for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. Reign supreme, reign supreme, reign supreme. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. From the charts to the stage, man, you know who it be. It's that Lunar Beaches fam putting on endlessly.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the moon. Thank you all for joining me. I do greatly appreciate it. Paired character dancing under a rain of confetti and taking his hat off to say, "You are amazing." Oh, the super sticker that Alexander G shared yesterday. There's a readout of it on Streamlabs. About to do some Inception stuff here. No, maybe not. It would only be if it was here. Inception. Oh, wait, yeah. See right here. Pair character dancing, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Excellent indeed. Wait. Okay. All right. Stream friends, crypto friends, trading friends, how you doing? Thank you for being here. Good evening, good evening. It is Monday, June 1st, 2026 at 9:04 p.m. Eastern, 10:04 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. How was everybody's day? Hopefully it was good. Oh, I did not think about the green in Grogu and the green screen. That is pretty funny. Had a very busy work day today, and yeah. So yeah, I wasn't able to be in chat much at all today. Wasn't really able to check the charts, so I'm kind of checking the charts almost for the first time. I mean, you know, I look throughout the day always, but this is the first time I'm able to sit down and just stare. Where is everyone? Hello? Let's go down. It's on the comments. GT Jack in the comments. Where is everyone? Is anyone watching? I mean, even if you're not, that's okay. You're just watching the playback, that's cool too. But that's kind of weird. Yeah, it is zero viewers. Okay. Okay, someone else's stream running long or something? It's okay. We're hanging out with JR and TI Joe and Trade Intuition. And yeah, we were having some fun. So, anyways, all right, Bitcoin, of course, got the dump ski. I'm trying to see if we can. This is the equal lows. So if those equal lows, those high time frame equal lows from back here can get swept real quick. They don't look equal here, but I mean they're relatively equal. They're equal lows, okay? We've been eyeing them up for months. And did we just take them? We just took them. We just took the equal lows. I feel fully redeemed. You know, when you see prices going and going and going and going and going and going and going, you're just like, well, maybe my thesis was wrong. But it went into the resistance that we had pointed out, and it reversed. And we've come down for the equal lows. Insanity. Insanity. And we're pushing lower now. Now the question is, how low do we go? Because that was just the first target. We still have other targets down here. I mean, this is also a demand zone, so not getting a bounce here would be pretty not good. We need to see a bounce here if we are going to go higher at all. Now, of course, you guys know my thesis has been we're not going higher at all. That's been my going thesis, and that still has not changed. To this day, it still has not changed. I have given credence to some of the ideas out there. I have said, yeah, this can happen. Sure. But I've been saying the entire time that I think we go lower. How low we go? That's the question. And honestly, the way this is shaping up, it could still, like I said, man, it's gotta bounce. It's pretty much gotta bounce very soon. Next week or two, it's gotta bounce. We don't bounce, and it's probably just, I mean, it's not good. I mean, when I say bounce, I mean it's gotta give us a decent move. Come down into here, come up, reclaim, push. Maybe not that high. Pull back, pull down. Right clicked. Bye-bye. Down, whatever. Okay, I'm just not doing good here. Push. So that's one. I see. I had it right the first time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you break the high. Like, you got to get going some type of way. But even this becomes questionable because, you know, we can pull up the channel, maybe, if I can find it. There we go. You can see, I mean, we can just stay within this channel, right? Here or here? Can you stop wigging out? Thank you. Something of the sorts. Nice little bounce, reject the midline, come back down, retest this for support, get a push back up to the upper bounds of the channel. And if you get something like this, First of all, what are we doing on our RSI? Are we putting in bearish divergences? What are we doing with our volume? What's our volume doing? Is our volume backing the move or not? Are we bouncing off the Market Oracle Pro Plus? This is the 4-hour. We are below the 4-hour dynamic reactor. I said bounce off the Market Oracle. The dynamic reactor, because it'd be dynamically reacting. If we can do something like this, pull back down to it, and then continue, golden. Maybe not golden, but looking better. But my very first original thesis was dead cat bounce to about 97 to 100K. Okay, that was my very first thesis, which can still happen. This could be a dead cat bounce, although dead cat bounces don't typically just grind like this. They try to sucker you in. So dead cat bounce probably look more like a big push like this. I don't know. I feel like it would have to go a little bit quicker. Like you just go. That really sucks in a lot of people. This is actually a bit more bullish because you're kind of seeing the buys, the bids stepping in and pushing price higher and higher, creating higher highs and higher lows. So that would actually be a bit more bullish, in my opinion. It's, as they say, healthier price action. Me a big dump. Good evening. Yeah, I mean, you know, it's just following the plan, dog. Just following the plan. What's going on? Good evening, Alan. Good evening, Melissa. How y'all doing? Oh, it's breaking down. We breaking down? Let's get rid of the channel here. Looks like we're breaking down. We've cleared the equal highs, or lows rather. Oh wait, that's the demand zone. Let's get that back. We'll see if this can, see if price can get out of here. So wanting to take a trade, but we've been down ever since we went live. It's just kind of been just pushing, so just waiting for it to take out a key level and then give me some kind of reversal price action. So for now, I'm just waiting. Trading is waiting, as they say. Patience is key. Do have a bit of a bull div on here. Low, lower low, low, higher low. Low, higher low. I don't like this though. I just don't like this type of, if I'm going to get a bottom structure, I want it to come down, come up, and come down and take that low, and then come up and take that high. Pull back and get a continuation. This is what I like to see. Now, if we look at the candle bodies only, might be worth considering. Remove the wicks. No, don't remove the wicks. We actually do push down, come up, push down, and then we'll see if it can come up, take the highs, pull back, fire off a long, stop below the low, push higher. You have this slow build up here and a push away, but it's gotta get above this candle, these candles first. Good evening, LBC and fam. Good evening, all set. How you doing, bruh? Thank you for being here. Yeah, see, and the RSI is based off of candle closes. Didn't take the high. Look at it. Being dumb. Can it get a push off of here? Probably not. Because we had multiple candles back to back to back to back. Pull back to those. Push. Push. Nothing really screams push to me just yet, though. Got to get that shift in market structure first. Without it, it's nada. Doing well replaces home appliances. Replacing home appliances? Yeah. That's always fun, isn't it? Do you ever replace your garbage disposal? That's fun. So we did get the continued downside, you know, as we were kind of expecting last night. USDT dominance getting the push to the upside. The dollar didn't really do anything. I mean, it did push up a little bit here, but has since kind of waned. US oil did it got a little bit of a push this morning, but then push to the downside. I saw a post as right before I came on. It was from Trump, and apparently he was talking about was he talking about a deal? No, he was talking about he said he talked to Netanyahu. His soldiers are turning around, are getting out of Beirut, Lebanon, and he said he talked to people of Hezbollah, or I think, and they're not going to attack Israel. I swear it's all BS, dude. It's all BS to manipulate the markets. I don't even know if the wars actually happen. I mean, legitimately, how do I know without seeing it firsthand with my own eyes? What do we really know? Especially with freaking AI out there now. Kind of freaky. There's very 1984 vibes going on, where you just get the psychological warfare. Bitcoin dominance continues to fall, surprisingly. It's kind of weird, to be honest. Kind of weird, to be honest. Total 2. This is heavily weighted towards Ethereum, but oh, look at that. Well, that's not good. Total 3. It's not doing anything. Others. Now, others is flat. So as money flees Bitcoin going into stable coins, others is flat. I mean, we're on a weekly chart. Let's go to the daily. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty much flat compared to Bitcoin. Let's do this. Let's do others. BTC. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. So we see altcoins gaining on Bitcoin right now. Just your random alts too. I mean, that looks a little stupid bullish to me. You get the flush. I don't know. I'm trying to see if I see Wyckoff in there, but I kind of don't. How is that possible? How is it possible? You get a double bottom here on others. Equal lows. I don't know how that's possible. That's some witchcraft. I don't really see much in the way of Wyckoff, but I do see this looks very like accumulation. So what's popping off in the altcoins to where you have USDT dominance up 1% already on the day? USDT dominance isn't part of others, is it? What can I... Oh, crypto bubbles. Lab? Labradoodle? Lab USDT? Shoo! Damn. Excuse my language. Holy crap. Signs that you might be in a bull market. Wow, since the December 2025 low, it is up 22,000%. Could have retired off of that, dude. All the random coins. It's just the random coins. Yeah, look at this. Crypto bubbles has it laid out. Look at that. Lab 77.8% today. All my spot is going down. I don't see what alts are popping. Yeah, exactly. That's the point. But this is 1 through 100. So you got Lab 82.2%, 16.2%, near 13.5%. But what I'm noticing on all of these other alts is you're not getting big losses. Not getting big losses. -7, that's the biggest one I've seen so far. 6.4. 6.3. Zcash 6.3, down 6.3%, but it's been on a tear, so who cares? Yeah, so these are more like holding steady. Let's look at the next. Let's look at 100 to 200. Piverse up 30%. But again, I mean, I see not a single double-digit loss in the top 200 coins. Oh, wait. When does this start? Did this start? Is this a 24-hour thing, or is it the day that just started? SLX up 84.6%. And again, nothing down double digits. I need to know if this is the past 24 hours. Or what? Week. Here we go. I want to see this. Oh, look at that. 103% on the week. Solstice SLX. So this, well, I guess we can take a look at it. Go to the hour. Thank you. Please. 101. Yeah, nothing's popping. So those are like 24 hours then. No, not necessarily, because it had been a couple hours ago. Lab up 6.4. I mean, look, if I just click on this, you can see on the hour, everything's down. The daily, everything's down. The weekly, everything's down, plus 5%. Okay, and it's top 100? Who in the top 100? XLM H. Oh, I just heard about this. I think it was during Joe's stream. Maybe it was JR's. I think it was JR's actually. And then Joe said something about it too. Never heard of it before. Look at that. You got Night 22.6%. So when you have this many tokens inside the top 100 gaining like that, that starts to make a bit more sense to me. We're on the 1 week minus 10%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I count that one? Might as well. 6. Like 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 out of the top 100 are in double-digit losses. Where's Bitcoin? Where's Bitcoin? Hello, Bitcoin. There you are. Minus 7.7%. So if all of this averages less than that, then it makes a lot of sense. So Bitcoin's down 7.7% on the week. That is why others' BTC is gaining on it. Okay, it wasn't I've had this chart on before, apparently. Okay. I mean, makes sense. It's not the first time I've thought about it, but that's what's got to break right there, though, because we could see the push and we could push back down. We do have all these lows down here that it might want to come down and clear before getting the break. I mean, this over here is 2027. Just imagine. You're looking at, this is like going into 2028. This is 2028 right there. Basically. So honestly, guys, I wouldn't start getting my hopes up yet. because it could be a long, arduous, just beat you down type of year and a half in altcoins before it just finally goes. The market is bigger, guys. The market is bigger, but it's not even as big as a freaking one company. Yo, my ninja. JR Prince in the house. What's up, JR? Did you not like did you change it to Prince because you didn't like being called J Rizzle the Rizzler? Wait, what was your name before? Wasn't it just JR? JR Prince. My man's trying to reinvent himself already. It's fine though. You do you, boo boo. I think I'm gonna have to change my name to LBT, Lunar Beaches Trading. Why? I don't know. I mean, if crypto goes in the shitter, I mean, I'm gonna have to. Excuse my French. Man, not a good night for me. What were we talking about last night about NASDAQ and the SPY? How they looked like they could be potentially getting ready for a pullback, and that Bitcoin could have been an indicator of that pullback, potential pullback. We will see. It's still too early to call it, but this is looking, I mean, look here on the daily. We've definitely got a bear div now. Okay, that's a confirmed bearish divergence. Does that mean we go down immediately? No. We do not go down immediately just because we do get a bearish divergence. However, it's a daily bearish divergence, and it's not something to ignore. Also, what was it I heard today? The record for the most green weeks in a row. I don't know if it was the NASDAQ. I think probably the S&P 500. Most green weeks in a row, closed green, is 9. We are at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Must not have been NASDAQ. Must have been ES. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. 9 on the SPY. S&P 500. That is the historical most consecutive green weeks closed ever. It has tied it. Will we get a reversal this week? We shall see. The weekly RSI doesn't look too terrible. There was a bearish divergence there, a little pullback, continued higher. Once it started to kind of fade down a little bit as this is pushing higher, and you start to see that struggle in the candles. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, look at this. This was the last time, it looks like. Last time, 9 straight green candles. The next week, pullback. But guess what? It freaking went on a tear after that. So by no means does it mean it's over. It means that we could just be getting a pullback before continuing higher. We shall see. The AI trade is still alive and well so far. Look at these beautiful people here. Hey, what's going on, Jesse? How you doing, bro? Thank you for being here. Yeah, it's a future brand idea. Ninja Gang is a community and JR Prince is a legend. Okay. I'm glad your internet works. It's my favorite bedtime chart chills jams show. Yeah, no jams. I don't have any gym jams on. What about total 3 versus or actually total 2? BTC. Well, that's looking kind of bullish too. But again, makes sense. Doesn't make sense for Bitcoin though. Although it does make sense if Bitcoin's going to get a little bit of a retrace. Either retrace into order block and then roll over. That would make a lot of sense. Or come up for that third push higher. Bear flag push. Or everybody's favorite. That. Bitcoin joins the AI trade. Funny enough, guys, I keep seeing the post. Not that it means really anything, but the last time Michael Saylor sold was like here or something. Somewhere in here. And then, bloop, 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 bloop. Mind you, people are making a massive deal about Michael Saylor selling 32 Bitcoin for $2.8 million. Strategy has over 800,000 Bitcoins. 32 ain't nothing. At the end, you do usually... Oh, the music? Yeah, I do at the end. Every time. I will always do it at the end. I've been doing some at the beginnings, but I think I'm going to stop that. I think we're just going to do the LBC intro and get into the show from now on. It's up to you guys, though. I really don't care. If you guys want to... I can do the 5 minutes before stream like I was doing for a little while. The 5 minutes before the stream is taken up playing a new song or just a different song other than my intro, and then go into the intro. Is 70K the local bottom, or are we going to 68? Well, if only I could predict the future. Look at that. No! We missed it. We missed it. Guys, I literally... I'm just never coming off the Bitcoin chart from now on. I said, take the high, get a pullback, and push. That's exactly... We do have equal high or lows, equal lows. But to your question, I don't know. Let's go to the 15. I don't know, because we just swept the equal lows finally that we've been eyeing up for months. And that's this line right here. I'll make it red. There you go. And yeah, we finally swept it. And looks like we've gotten back above this low right here. We've gotten a 15-minute close above that and a bullish engulfing candle. And a bull div. This is 15-minute too, so... Need to watch this candle. See what this candle does. If this candle holds this low on the close in 4 minutes, I'm going to take a swing long. I'm going to aim for these highs. That's 4.24. 5.6 for a 0.89% stop. And a 5% gain. And then we'll go from there. Taking profit along the way. Here. Here. Get fully out here. For me. Not financial advice. Do your own research. Do your own trading and all that good jazz. Check out XLM again. I just jumped in. I may be crazy, but it looks bull flaggy to me. What you think? What time frame? You gotta give me time frames. This thing? You think this is bull flaggy? Are you on the 1 minute chart? What's going on, Harp? How you doing, bro? How low can we go? How low can we go? For real? I don't know. I don't know that Bitcoin will ever go to zero. There's too many people. People would still be using it. It doesn't matter. I mean, theoretically, it could go to $1. We'll see. 15. I don't see the bull flag. Unless you're talking about this thing. Honestly, though, looks like broken trend. Broken trend there. Broken trend here. Broken trend here. Lower, lower, lower. This would usually, I think, 1, 2. I would think that this would be like an ABC. Come back down into demand before pushing again. Just to the right, not the whole structure. Brother. I still don't see the bull flag. Not on the 15. I don't. I mean, unless you're what are you doing like this? This channel? I mean, I'm gonna be real with you. That is not the bull flag. That's not how bull flags look. But downtrending highs, right? If it can get a break, of this downtrending highs and get a push with some volume with it, then maybe. Where's... Oh, I'm not on a... Now we're bull flagging. Hold on, wait a minute. I gotta go back to Bitcoin. Sorry. Oh, it closed below? Held that other low, though. See this low on this candle? It specifically held that. Still don't know, man. I don't know that I want to take it. I don't like... The thing about trading, though, is that, like, everything's a zone. It's not really, like, level, an exact level. It's a zone. It's getting back above it, creating equal lows in the process. That's cool. Above VWAP? Come on, come tap this. Come tap this. Come tap this fair value gap. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. And it's gone. Exactly. Every TP and entry is definitely a zone. Yeah. And it's gone. Bon voyage. See you later. Hasta la vista, baby. We'll see you later. Oh, no. No, no, no. No significant market structure has been broken yet, so that's okay. It's okay. We don't have to catch the exact bottom. We can live to fight another day. I'd like for this to get a push, though. Real Wave Cypher viewers have just joined. Good evening, Real Wave Cypher viewers. What's going on? Wave Gang, I guess? I honestly don't know. Do you guys have a name? Or are you all part of the Otter Gang? How about some otters in the chat? Yeah, so throw some otters in the chat, some OnlyFans, some wave riders. Here we go. We'll see if we can catch this wave. I'm not liking it at the moment. That low is continuing to be a nuisance. So I'm waiting. And we have those equal lows down here, so I'm wondering if it's going to try and give us another spike down before it pushes. If it's going to push. The money flow is coming up here on the 15th, so that's kind of what you want to see, but no cross above the 0 line, although True 7 looking like it's pushing that 0 line right now, so it just needs to get a little bit of some continuation, but like I said, those equal lows might look a little juicy. Little juicy. Another harp guy in here. Hey, BTC Harpist, how you doing? LBC, I posted it. Alright, I'm going to take a look. Ah. I see. Let's go take a look. If this closes... Nah, if it breaks the high, then I'll fire the long. Fire the long, first TP here. But right now, it's not looking good. Let's go back to XLM. For Harpski here, clean chart. Oops. So here's Harpsky's deal here. He's coming down like this. I mean, I can see it. Like we were just saying, they are zones, but let's just pull this back. I don't like that trend line going all the way up there. It gives me the heebie-jeebies. Yeah, I mean, same thing, same. You got to get that break of the downtrend first, and then get above at least an internal swing high before I consider a long. This is going to be your next major swing level to get above. So yeah, just look for the breaks and then get a continuation, but I'm still thinking this could turn into an ABC, so, and come into demand. That is what it's kind of looking like. You get your ABC here, ABC here, and then your ABC down. Actually, break this low, A, B, C. So it could give you a little fake out, but not break this high and then roll over. But if it can create some like equal highs up here, I mean, we've already got a juicy high up here. You just look for the sweep, reclaim, push. If it is to remain bullish. What are we looking like on the 4 hour? Because that'll help determine what we're doing here on the 15-minute. It's actually not looking too terrible. It actually does look more like a potential ABC in here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe. One very long 2, 3, 4, 5. Either way, I think I do believe XLM will go higher, and not all not all patterns were made the same. In this instance, if it's a triangle, you know, for me the main thing, it doesn't really matter. I don't care about too much about the pattern. Do we sweep this? No. Do we take this out? Like those are kind of a couple of key things for me. If I want to try and get a crazy long, let me see if I can get a sweep and then go. That'd be nice. Or a little bit less risky, just wait for the break of the internal high and a pullback. Continuation, bounce off the high. I didn't mean to go that low, but the main thing is going to be breaking the downwards momentum and then entering on a pullback. Whether that pullback's here or you break the high and you pull back to it and you get a continuation and you don't FSP the high. Very key there. You don't just sweep it and close back below on the 4 hour. It would not be good. What I'd like to see is a sweep down here and close back above this high. Because if that happens, then I would totally expect another rip here for XLM. And RSI is coming, it's right at the 50. It's getting there, man. It might want to turn around here. Yeah, it'd be better if waited on a retest of my top trend line. I see what you're saying for sure. FSP. FSP? Did I say FS? SF? I might have misspoke. SFP. Swing failure pattern. And also, I mean, it could just turn into a triangle, double bottom. Look for like a fair value gap or order block, or just a simple 786 golden pocket 786 push. It's almost like I know where these levels are just by just by looking at it. You spend too much dang time in the chart every day for 5 years, pretty much. Pretty much every day. Oil charts are the new USDT dominance lately. USDT dominance is the new USDT dominance. Rich Sainsbury, do you know what I mean by now? Smash the like, people. It's free. Hey, Dylan, how you doing, bro? Thank you for being here. Evening, man. Evening, Jake. How you doing? You ever get your car stuff figured out? Yeah, man. The car's out of the shop. Luckily, my dad had the means to take care of it. He just offered. I've never asked. I don't know that I've never. I can't remember the last time I asked that dude for anything other than a place to live. Like, how old am I? 14 years ago. So like, I don't know. He just offered. You know, he got a little bit of money from my grandmother's passing, and I guess he was just able to do it, so he did it. So shout out to my dad. I'm just giving you ish. Oh, okay. Appreciate you digging into that LBC. Yeah, man, no problem. But so I'd look for something like that, and you know, for your idea isn't terrible. It's just, I don't know. You're downtrending. I will, and it's, let's see, if you know your flag, you're pushing to the upside, and then you flag, and then you push. So, and then, you know, if you're looking at this like how I'm looking at it, see, instead of looking at, you know, the flag, which it's okay to do both, but seeing a sweep of the low and then a push away, that would be like, I would love that. That would be amazing. That's what I want to see. And especially if we've gotten a 5-wave move, then I'm okay with taking an internal low here. Okay? I'm okay with taking that if we've gotten a 5-wave move. If it's just a 3-wave and we take the low, I don't like that. More likely you're going to retrace and roll over. Unless it's a zigzag. But zigzags are pretty elongated. Whereas your ABCs are typically kind of half a swastika. Sorry. It's the German in me. Awesome, man. Glad to hear you got taken care of. Offer still stands. If you need free mechanic work, just head over to Johnson City. Yeah, absolutely, bro. Will do. Appreciate that. I smacked the like button like I smacked my 12-ounce steak. Oh, man. I want a steak. That'd be good. Oh, my God. Wow. Sorry. 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 Too far? My bad. It's just the first thing that, for some reason, it's the first thing that came to my head. It's not even, it wasn't even really that edgy. Come on. What is this grateful beautifulness? This is B&B. Break of the high. Back test. Can it hold? Can it start to get another push? Money flow in a green. Closed below on the 4 hour. Just far enough. Come on, Ash. Ashunts. Come on now. I don't apologize. Jesus saves. What's going on? How'd you cook the steak? Yeah, that's a good question. We got to know. How did you cook it? And we're not just talking about rare, medium rare, or anything like that. Charcoal. Propania. POC of this 892. Man, to equal those though. And it did get up into resistance and rejected. But structure's holding because this is the last major swing low on the 4 hour. On the 15, I mean, it's an internal. What is this? Holy manipulation, Batman. See, this is why. Look at this. How many Binance or BNB, but what is it called? Freaking. Is it, no, that's BSC. I guess this is just the Binance coin. Look at that breakout, and people are like, "Oh, retests," and it wrecks them, and then it comes back above, and they're like, "Oh, they just faked us to the bottom. Let's go long again," and then it just rips them down again, and it's weird. Really, really weird. I'm not one that kind of really just shouts manipulation all the time, because I think a lot of people don't understand how markets work, and they don't understand that a lot of it is just normal market function, and it's pretty much all run by bots, algorithmic trading bots, algorithmic market makers. Literally, they're designed to get as much liquidity from the market as possible. So, like, they're designed to create an efficient market, not to necessarily get as much liquidity from the market, but to arbitrage enough off of the market and provide liquidity. It's just an auction. Buyers and sellers and whales can manipulate, especially low volume, thin order book altcoins. Those things can get manipulated so hard. Someone can put 20K into random stupid coin .io or whatever, and it would pump to the it'll go crazy on 20K because the order book is just so thin, and all they got to do is just mass buy a little bit higher, and then a bunch of people jump in because they're like, "Oh, it's going to the moon. It's up 1,000%. Yeah, it's up 20,000%. Yeah, you just put $20,000 into it. It's their dollar pop. It's up 20,000%." People pile in. It doubles. It goes up 100%, and the original buyer sells, and then it dumps 50%. Like that. That is not like that. It's good stuff, man. Grass-fed local ribeye. 130 for 2 hours and finish it off on the barbecue for 2 minutes. Why side? Wait. You slow cooked a steak? What? What is this? What is this? Texas? Barbecue ash hunts. Oh, Canada. I should have read the whole thing. Grass-fed local ribeye, sous vide. What? At 1:30 for 2 hours, then finish it off on the barbecue for 2 minutes. Okay, look, as a Southerner, a certified American Southerner, and licensed Memphis barbecue guy. I don't know. A barbecue is a food. It's not a thing you go to. The thing you go to is called a cookout. Barbecue is a food. You go to the barbecue joint, just like you go to the burger joint. Nice little sweep here. Okay. Oh, crap. I'm 10 minutes over. Didn't even realize you guys are not keeping me. I said I was going to take the long here. Damn it. You guys distracted me with steaks. Say it like this. Sous vide. Sous vide? Sous vide. Never heard of it. Anyways, thank you guys for joining me. I do greatly appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind going ahead and smashing up that like button, that'd be absolutely amazing. You could cut it with a fork. So tender. Yeah, I know you can't because you slow cooked it. Anyways, guys, I do greatly appreciate you all for joining me. If you wouldn't mind going ahead and hitting that sub if you're new. Maybe tomorrow we can. Man, I really went along this. But it's kind of. I feel like I'm too late. I'll have to wait for the break of the high. Oh well. Can't catch you can't catch them all. This ain't Pokemon. Still didn't make dinner yet. Oh man, you go eat, bruh. Anyways, we had some barbecue. We actually had some barbecue sliders last night. Barbecue chicken sliders. Again, barbecue chicken. It's before. It's because you're putting the sauce on it. Shut up. Alright, guys. Yeah, remember, guys, nothing on this channel is financial advice. It is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm still getting back in the groove after being out for 2 weeks. So, yeah, make sure you guys join the free Discord. Link in the description down below. Also in the link down in the description down below. Many of you probably already there. And if you're not, you probably should be. Join the Alex O Crypto Discord. Affiliate link is in the description. I haven't shielded that in a while. And it's the only thing that I really will shield other than myself. And I'm even kind of bad at that. So, but yeah, I don't know. Thanks for hanging out, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Let me pull up some music, and we will rock out. Thank you guys for joining me. I do greatly appreciate it. I will see you all tomorrow. Hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical sleep. And I will catch you then. Mad love. God bless. Gotta find the song. Damn it. Which one? We should do Undertow. I haven't played that one for you guys yet. All right, love you guys. Bye.
Red water underneath my skin. Something cold is settling in. Every night I drift farther from the man I used to be. I can feel it in my lungs now. Pressure pulling downward, like the ocean found a weakness and decided not to leave. The waves don't crash like they used to. Now they drag me slowly down. No more fighting for the surface. No more air inside my mouth. I hear the current whisper, soft enough to sound like peace. But every time I follow it, something disappears from me. Undertow, pulling me below again, like the deep already knows my name. Undertow, every breath gets harder now. Every light above me fading out. I know there's no safe way back. Once the ocean pulls you in like that. Moonlight bleeding through the ceiling, like a warning I ignored. Every cycle leaves me emptier than the one before. And she touches my arm gently, like I'm someone she still knows. But I've spent too many nights now listening to the undertow. Every wave feels hollow now. Every loss cuts twice as deep. I don't know if I'm surviving or just learning how to sing. Something in the dark keeps calling. Something underneath the waves. And the deeper that I follow it, the more I wanna stay. Undertow, pulling me below again, like the deep already knows my name. Undertow, every breath gets harder now. Every light above me fading out. I know there's no safe way back. Once the ocean pulls you